Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very well. So are you guys in the festive mood yet? I can't believe it's like a week today till Christmas. The boys are driving me crazy, so excited, particularly Kai, who's only 4, and he's off to see Santa today at school. They're having their Christmas dinner and they're also seeing a pantomime, so he's got a really packed day. I hope he has a wonderful time. So today is all about Roccabox. Roccabox is a monthly subscription box. It's a beauty box. I think it's £13.95. I'll leave the details for you about the box down below. If you care to try it, please use my link. And I think you receive your box for half price, although don't quote me on it, I can't remember. I've got so many boxes going on at the moment. And also, I wanted to show you at last, give away the Jeffree Star palette. So let's start with the Roccabox first. Get a little card inside. Tells you all about your products, and not that you can see what's going on here. You got lots and lots of these little wormy things. Take them out. And there's our products right there. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is Prep Your Hair with Philip Kingsley Body Building Weightless Shampoo. This is a 60ml product. Oh no, I beg your pardon, you can buy it in a 60ml and it's worth £7.80. So how much mils do you get in there? That's the product there. And oh, this is 60ml, I beg your pardon. So this is clearly a full-size product, I think. It smells delightful. I hadn't actually heard of Philip Kingsley until I started doing YouTube. In fact, there's a lot of brands I've never heard of before. So I'll give that a try because apparently his products are magic. So that is the first one there. Just a little bit about it. In my opinion, Christmas party hair should have sex appeal. That means being big, bouncy and full of volume. I'm all about full of volume. Right, next we have this one. This is Prep Your Skin with Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. It is a 30ml and this is worth £12. So let's have a look at this one. Again, this is another brand that I never heard of until I started to do YouTube. Oh, the packaging is so cute. Okay. Oh, it's got a safety thing on it. Oh, there's actually no smell. I can't smell it an absolute thing from that. I look forward to trying that. Lovely. Right, then we have Prep Your Lashes with Bow Organics Lash Oil. 10ml bottle, value £19.99. Wow, that's really expensive. That's what it looks like. I've never tried a lash oil before. I look forward to trying this, see whether it does actually improve my lashes. For healthy, hydrated and beautiful lashes. Apply a drop or two to index finger. Gently massage onto clean lashes from root to tip. Best applied at night. Take care not to get into eyes. Okay, well I'll give that a go. Like that. Very good. Right, then we have Perfect Your Peepers with Luna by Luna. It's a gold eyeshadow. It is a full size and this product is worth £12.86. So that is this little box here. Let's have a look inside. That's cute. Cute packaging. Yeah, we'll do a swatch because my kind of colour. Oh, it's nice and soft. Very, I won't say creamy, but very like velvety. Where's my camera? Oh, that's nice. Wowza. I like that. I like that a lot. I will use that. That's lovely. Very, very pigmented. Very nice. Like that a lot. Fantastic. Really happy with that. I like that a lot. Okay, and then we have so there seems like a mystery prize here. Recover Wish is a surprise. Take a look through your box to find out. Okay. What on earth is this? Oh, thank you for being a loyal rock star this year. We've thrown in an extra treat for the holidays. With its focus on wellness and restoring your inner beauty, you're going to love this, and I'm sure after a month of partying, your body is going to love it too. Okay. I have still no idea what this is. How to take capsules after you start drinking. Oh, it's a bloody thing where if you feel poorly after you've had a night out, I guess. So take 2 capsules after you start drinking and 1 when you get home with water. Well, I don't really drink apart from the odd Baileys, and I like the snowballs, but you know, my daughter might like them. Right, okay, and the final product we have, oh, I love this guy. I wasn't sure whether I knew who he was, and since I said it on unboxing, I've literally received a Steve Laurent product in just about every single beauty box I have. So this is Perfect Your Palette with Steve Laurent lip gloss. You'll receive peaches or cafe, full size, £18.87. Wowza. Let's see what colour shade I got. It doesn't even say actually on the box. This packaging is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. Come out, wherever you are. Right, okay. Oh, it looks like I've got peaches. And that is the, you know, that's the colour close up. Nice colour, nice nude. Should we give it a go? It's very pigmented for a lip gloss, and I like it. Got to tell you now, guys, this is not even sticky. I like that. I like that a lot. Love, love, love. Like his products. Totally amazing. Right, so that is December's Roccabox complete. As you guys know, or if you watch my channel, you know I love, love, love Roccabox. I always feel like their products are useful things that you would use. I have a thing about these face masks that you get in the little bag thing. Roccabox will very rarely do that. In fact, the whole time I've been using Roccabox, I can only remember on one occasion receiving a sachet of face mask. I just feel like the face masks are a bit of a cop-out, and it's just an extra product to shove in the box. So I'm really happy with Roccabox. I will continue that subscription because I love it. Now the moment you guys have probably all been waiting for, as you know, or should know, or might not know. If you don't know, I'll tell you now. I'm running the December giveaway. This is the Jeffree Star Morphe Artistry palette. And I had some issues with delivery. I popped a video up anyway because obviously time was running out. I will link the video down below for you to click onto if you want to enter. But I just wanted to show you for real what the palette actually does look like, and I have to say it's absolutely bloody stunning. So that is the palette itself. And then I'm trying not to put fingers on it because I'm aware somebody is going to win this. You get a beautiful size mirror. And look at this palette, guys. I'm in love with this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And I really want to dip my fingers in there and do some swatches for you guys, but I obviously can't because it doesn't belong to me. Stunning. Love, 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 love. So if you haven't entered already and you'd like to win this palette, hit the link down below in the description. Go and watch the video and then please enter. And it is open to international. So that's all I've got for my video. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Please, please, please leave your comments down below. Let me know what your favourite item out of the box was. Mine has to be the Steve Laurent lip gloss. Absolutely love, love, love. Until we speak again and I do the next video, take care and look after yourselves and each other. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.